Someone said, let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. The person didn't say anything wrong because nature is the most important and integral part of humankind. It is the greatest blessing for the human race, not only the human race but all the living organisms on the earth. Hello everyone, welcome back to the official channel of Rebrain Pro. You are watching Shuchishmita Singh as your host, and today on this day of 5th June 2021, I'll be discussing about the World Environment Day. So without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. The World Environment Day is held on 5th June every year. It is the principal vehicle for the United Nations for creating awareness and calling for action the people to protect the environment. First held in 1974, it is the platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as global warming, marine pollution, human overpopulation, and sustainable composition. The World Environment Day is the global platform for public outreach for over 150 countries. The World Environment Day was first established in the year 1972 by the United Nations at the Stockholm Conference of the Human Development. 2 years later, in 1974, it was first held with the theme Only One Earth. This year, the baton of hosting the World Environment Day is passed on to the South Asian country Pakistan with the theme Ecosystem Restoration, which will have a special focus on creating good relation with the nature. This year's event will also mark the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021-2030. In the next 10 years, the United Nations, with the support of countries, partners, and people, want to focus on preventing and reversing the loss of degraded natural ecosystems to fight the impacts of climate change. Now you may ask that why is Pakistan chosen for hosting the World Environment Day program in 2021? Every year, a different country is chosen with a different purpose. This year, Pakistan is chosen to host the program for the following reasons. In 2014, the government of Pakistan started massive afforestation drive through a billion tree tsunami project. The ambitious project included restoring mangroves, increasing forest covers, and planting trees in urban settings. Recently, Pakistan launched a platform called the Ecosystem Restoration Fund to create green jobs, support nature-based solutions to fight climate change, and promote biodiversity conservation, assigning the responsibility of hosting focus and attention towards the environment in the country. So on this Environment Day, let us take an oath to protect the nature, to protect the environment, not only on the Environment Day but every day. Let's nurture the nature every day, as we know that nature is the greatest and the biggest gift to the mankind. So here we end our topic for today. If you have any thoughts and queries regarding this topic, let us know in the comment sections below. If you have liked the video, don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you get the notification. And don't forget to follow and like our pages in Instagram and Facebook.